Kundalini energy. Kundalini energy is your vital force. Kundalini, say the round. In the Hindu mythology, the snake sitting in the round way, like Kundalini. This is called sitting style rounds. It is a Kundalini. And snake show the vital power. Two poles in the body. Head is yang. Root, last spinal cord, is the yin. Positive and negative pole. Also, left side is the yin, right side is the yang. Negative and positive pole. Understand this way: electricity, two wire, positive and negative. When you meet this energy, create the light. When this energy going in the light, then bulb is give the light. Same thing, when you have a energy come on the power station, this is called chakra. Power station is the chakras in the body. They living in the energy body. And with this current, this bio current, who is the flow in our body, prana energy. This energy when meet the point on the power station, on there create the power. In the yoga, you know the Ida and Pigla and Sushumna, central nervous system. Chakra living in the central nervous system. When pure Ida and Pigla means positive and negative pole, means yin and yang, it clean, then it start activate central nervous system. As a spiritual sign, everybody Kundalini is living in the sleeping stage. Means snake fin, snake mouth, living is downward. Means downward you going the your energy always fell down. Means go simple way understand. Then negative thoughts is the downward. Again understand. Negative thoughts create downward. Means our energy going down fall. And when I make positive thoughts, snake going to upside. And our positive thoughts start to activate. Your vital energy start to activate. It is not easy to activate your Kundalini power. Need physical, mental and spiritual levels, you are more purified. Physically purification, it is very important. After mentally purification, it is more important. And like maybe you have there is big pot, here is a big pot, and this pot is the made by one pipeline. And energy want go here to there. Water, maybe water, simple way. Water want go here to there. But in pipe has a blockage. Which way energy flow, water flow normally. Same way in the your central nervous system, your Ida Pitta has a blockages. This region energy not easy to flow upside, and this blockage is your thinking. Your thoughts is the positive, blockage is less. Thoughts create the blockage in the body. When I am thinking negative things, I create in my body different part of different type of blockages. Then not flow the energy means prana easily in my body. And prana where is flow? Prana flow in the energy body, meridians where people use the acupuncture use. Acupuncture points is the meridian points. Meridian bioelectricity is flow and acupuncture finish these blockages. Means I clean my mind. I going to clean my positive mind. I clean the blockages. Otherwise I clean the blockages, my mind also clean. Both is connected. Then Kundalini is your vital energy, strong, grow up, activate, need pure body. Also say the Kundalini start to activate. Then they have very strong energy. This energy when activate, where is go? Need place to express on self. And you have a different blockages, then start to break this place. As a wall is the close and maybe water come very strong, water broke the wall. Then need to open the doors, clean the doors, clean the channels. And when clean the channel, you easy to digest this energy in your energy body. Then it is good to activate your Kundalini. And when this Kundalini energy start to activate, this is day has a place to digest in your energy body especially. Because this power is very strong power and start come by power stations. And like main power station is the 7 chakras. They come step by step upside. And these stations need very clean and strong. Otherwise called broke the chakra. Chakra going holes also possible. This region before Kundalini is activate, you need mentally, physically, spiritually is very strong and clean. And when slow Kundalini is start to come, this is your vital energy start to coming the different power station and you feel different type of power, different type of intuition inside. You are going to change inside. You going slow, more spiritual, powerful person inside.
Before you speak about prana, like the cosmic energy come from the sky to inside our body with meridian, like a highway of energy. Now you say Kundalini start from bottom up. So are two different kind of energy, two type of energy, prana and Kundalini.
Prana and Kundalini, it is the same. Prana energy is the universal energy. In body, when coming in the body has a pole I tell you, positive pole, negative pole, yin and yang. Same way, yin energy is called Kundalini energy. And when this yin energy start to meet slow upper yang energy, create the different type of power, and like I say, the light. And slow this Kundalini energies come slow and going outside the crown, and crown is opening. You feel the true silence. And then you start to opening the crown, coming a lot of cosmic energy, prana energy. How much crown is open, how much your Kundalini is activate and going to achieve the crown, you receive the direct more and more prana energy, Reiki energy. Both is same, I tell you. Chi energy, both is same. And this energy is making more stronger. Same way, which way you use the small pipe to throw the water, and you need more water, means more prana energy, need more clean and big pipeline, and then more water is supplied. Same way crown, everyone has a crown little bit open, but meditator who has a Kundalini is more active and more going to meet with crown energy. Crown is more and more growing to flowering and open, and you receive more and more prana energy inside. Same way chakra. When has a chakra, yin and yang energies mix every chakra, this chakra is more and more powerful is growing. You see the holy people, gods has a here, Jesus also has a light on here, and you see the light is here, this light yin and yang meet on the heart chakra, then heart is going to open.